This is the ET4 in cruddy condition, and it needs some work. They believe the motor is seized. I don't believe so, but we'll find out. And yeah, the dash is smashed. A lot of switches don't work. The seat has been redone once, but badly. Will need to be redone again. All the chrome is rusted. The front fender is super cracked. Wheels garbage. Motor looks like doo-doo. It's seen better days. Everything seems to be there though, but it's just filthy. Forgot to put it in here, but here's the other side. Some nice gashes with some rust. Big old dent. It's alright though. This red one, that looks pretty spiff in comparison, came in about the same shape. So you can tell it's got some dings and scratches, but I made it look alright. And it's my beautiful wife and the little chatterbox over here, Leo. Hi. You just making noises. Yeah. You just making noises. And then the dog's in the corner chewing on her new toy.